In previous lecture we saw pH. Okay, in pH we saw their concentration, that is concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions. Okay, so and we discuss one formula, that is pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Okay, now we will discuss here importance of pH. What beta? Importance, say importance of pH. So what will be the importance of pH? So first importance of pH, okay, say here greater the concentration of H plus ion. Okay, suppose if any solution has a greater the concentration of H plus ions, so what will happen? Less will be its pH. Okay, less will be its pH, and what will happen? And more is the acidic character. More is the acidic character. Okay, so these are very much important. Greater the concentration of H plus ions, less will be its pH. Yes, obviously less will be its pH, and more is the acidic character. Okay, second, so whatever that's pH values, okay, so pH values, or we can say pH scale is used for dilute acids and bases. Okay, and third one is pH of solution depends on pH of solution depends on temperature. So how it depends on temperature? pH decreases with increase in temperature. What beta? pH decreases with increase in temperature. So this one is very much important. It depends on temperature. So these are what importance of pH here. Importance of pH. Now we will move towards some numeral examples on the basis of this pH scale. Okay, so ready with this? Okay, so see, we will discuss one here numerical. So say pH, yes, pH numericals. So first we will see what is the pH of, what is the pH of 0.1 molar solution of HCl. So these are what your one numerical. So how we have to solve this? Basically, such type of numericals is not your in 10 standard. So it is for what? For higher standard. Means foundation it is. Okay. For foundation, you must know this. What is or how we can solve this numerical pH numericals. Okay. So everyone knows this thing. Okay. What? As you know how your HCl dissociates. Okay, so HCl dissociates in aqueous solution, how H plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous means 1 only H plus. Okay, so 0.1 molar, what is the pH of 0.1 molar solution of HCl? So pH means what? As we know, pH is what beta? It is a negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. Okay, and one thing here important note you must know in terms of log. So what beta? Log m raised to n is equal to what? N log into m. Okay, n log into m. So this thing you must know. It is a logarithm formula. Okay. So on the basis of this, we have to find out what is the pH of 0.1 molar solution of HCl. So beta, what we have to discuss here, whatever H plus, so whatever this concentration of HCl, because of what your H plus ions, so we can write beta H plus is equal to whatever your HCl concentration was also 0.1 molar. Understood this thing? Because what is the pH of 0.1 molar solution of any HCl, that we have to find out. So pH basically, okay, whatever this pH, it depends on what concentration of this H plus. So here also 0.1 or here also 0.1 is same only. Therefore I will write like this H plus and is equal to whatever your concentration of HCl is also same 0.1 molar. Then you have to put whatever this 0.1 molar in your where this formula. So we can now say how we can do this. As you know this pH is equal to what beta, negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. Okay, so beta concentration of H plus ions how much? 0.1. pH you have to calculate. So pH is equal to what? Negative log. So this 0.1 can I write like this? Okay, so see, first we will write 0.1. Okay, now say pH is equal to negative log 10 raised to minus 1. Can I write? Okay, so this become what? Minus minus plus. Okay, and log base to 10 1. So pH is equal to beta, what will come? Yes, 1 only it will come. Understood? Okay, you must know here 0.1 we can write as a 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, so these are what? Beauty of this numerical, pH numerical. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now we will discuss next numerical. Okay, see, in second example, so say in second numerical we will discuss, calculate the pH of, say here, calculate the pH of 0.01 molar solution of HCl. Okay, so beta, how we can calculate this? Again here same, as you know this HCl how it will breaks as a H plus and Cl minus ion. Okay, H plus and Cl minus ion, like that it will break. Okay, so whatever this concentration of H plus and your HCl minus is same, means 0.01 only. Okay, so then without wasting time you have to write this formula. pH is equal to what? Negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. pH you have to calculate. So beta, pH is equal to what will come? Okay, negative logarithm of this 0.01. Okay, so 0.01 means what? 10 raised to minus 2. Yes or no? So pH is equal to what? Negative logarithm of 10 raised to minus 2. So this will come here. So minus minus plus. So then what you will get here beta? pH is equal to, and again log base 10 here 1 only. So pH is equal to 2. Understood? Okay. So like that you have to solve numerical. Okay. So you must know this formula, general formula, or we can say logarithm formula it is. So basically this pH and pH numericals, it will come in your 11th topic. Okay, so therefore we are studying here as a foundation. Okay, in ionic equilibrium, where beta? In ionic equilibrium topic. Okay, so we can solve. Suppose if you have find out, if you want to find out the concentration of 0.001, so what will come? 10 raised to minus 3. So that 10 raised to minus 3 become what? 3. So pH of that particular HCl solution 0.001. how much it will come? pH is equal to 3. So like that it is simple numericals are there. Okay, don't worry for this exam. Okay, in your 10th exam it will not come, but you must know some simple pH values. Okay, now we will discuss question number on next numeral, third numeral. Okay, find the concentration of OH minus ions in the solution whose pH is 5. Okay, so how we can calculate this? Find the concentration of OH minus. So OH minus we have to find out. Okay, and pH they give. So as you know, one formula I discuss. So that formula is what here. Okay, so see here which formula? pH, yes, pH plus POH is equal to what, beta? 14. pH plus POH is equal to 14. So for that we need to calculate this POH. pH we know. So what will come? 14 minus pH. So if you put up this value, so POH 14 minus 5, how much? Yes. So beta pH is equal to how much? 9. Sorry, POH is equal to how much? 9. Understood? So as you know, beta, POH is equal to what? It is a negative logarithm of concentration of OH minus ion. pH, when pH is there, at that time what we wrote? pH is equal to negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. And whenever we have to calculate POH, so POH is what? It's equal to negative logarithm of concentration of OH minus ions. Okay, so we not here calculating whatever your pH. We want only concentration of OH minus ion. So that concentration is what? 9. Okay, so concentration of OH minus, how we can write? Okay, so see here, concentration of OH minus simply how much? 10 raised to minus 9 mole per liter. What, beta? Mole per liter. Understood? So these are what? Your concentration of OH minus ion. Simply, whenever pH is 9, so obviously their concentration how much? 10 to minus 9. If you are thinking reverse, okay, if what? Suppose concentration of H plus, like that we previous saw, say suppose concentration of H plus is 0.02, then pH how much? 2. Okay, now only we discuss that numerical. Okay, so like that simple numericals, pH numerical and pOH numericals are there. Okay, so one more also we can solve here, question number 4. Okay, so see in question number 4, what will happen in question number 4? Say in question number 4, what they ask, say calculate the pH of, okay, say here, calculate the pH of 0.005 molar aqueous solution of what? H2SO4. Aqueous solution of H2SO4. So here how we can calculate? See, calculate the pH. So beta, pH means what? As you know, pH is what, beta? It is the negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. Okay, so see here, calculate the pH of 0.005 molar aqueous solution of your H2SO4. So here you must know the breaking of your H2SO4. So here breaking of H2SO4 as like this. H2SO4, it will break 2H plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, are understood or not? Okay, say how it will break 2H plus SO4 2 minus. So calculate a pH of 0.005. So basically concentration how much here for H2SO4? 0.005 molar, and here 2 is plus, so what will here come? 2 into 0.005 molar. So what is your answer will come? 0.01 molar. Understood? Then you have to start to solve this numerical, pH numerical. Understood? So how we can solve? Then we got here concentration of H plus. So concentration of H plus how much? 0.01 molar. Then you have to start to solve this numerical beta. So as you know, pH is equal to what? Yes, negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ions. We know that negative logarithm of concentration how much? 0.01. Okay, so pH is equal to what will come? Negative logarithm of what? This I can write in this fashion, 10 raised to minus 2. Then pH is equal to, obviously what will come? pH is equal to 2. Understood? So how much pH of 0.005 molar aqueous solution of H2SO4? pH is equal to 2. Understood? So like that numericals you have to solve, okay, in your pH type, pH and pOH type. Okay, so these are what regarding our today's lecture. Okay, I hope you understood all these things. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss, we covered acids and bases. In next lecture we will discuss salts. Okay, salts, their preparation, properties, reactions and everything. Thank you.